You can download iOS 18.1 with Apple AI now. Here's how and which iPhone model support it. So now if I scroll down, it says here how to install iOS 18. Number 1, go to General in your iPhone settings. So you're going to go to your iPhone settings and select General. Then number 2, go to Software Updates in Settings. Within General, tap on Software Update. This will show you if the iOS 18 update is available for you to download. Number 3, download and install. When you tap on Software Update, your iPhone will check for the latest version of iOS available. Then you'll be able to download and install the new update. Your iPhone will begin the download immediately. Number 4, enter your passcode and follow steps to install. Enter your passcode if necessary to authorize the installation of the new iOS on your phone, and follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installing the latest iOS update, your iPhone will restart. And there you go.